Assalamualaikum. And in today's video we'll begin with this quadrilaterals, that how to find out the angles in the quadrilaterals with the help of the properties. I have already explained you all the properties of parallelogram, rhombus, kite of each and every quadrilateral. So today we will take help of those properties and we will try to solve this, and we will try to find out the angles. So I will show you that how to solve. Let's begin. Here, what are the steps? The steps are, you will follow the properties and you will look at this, that this is a parallelogram. If this is a parallelogram, that means you can apply all the properties of parallelogram. So what is the property related to angle? The property related to the angle is opposite angles are similar. Opposite angles are similar. So here you can see this is 100. So exactly opposite to this is y, right? ये b के exactly opposite में है y. So you will get the value of y, that is 100 degree. So first you will try to find out all the unknown angles with the help of the property, and still if you are not getting, then you will go with linear pair or vertically opposite angles and all. Means remaining properties you will go. But first of all you will try to apply the properties. Okay, y is equal to 100 degree. Now how can you say that this is 100 degree? If you will write only this in the exam, then you will get half mark. So you must have to mention the reason that how you have said that this is 100 degree. So the reason behind this is, what's the reason behind this? Yes, it's opposite angle. So you must have to write that due to opposite angle, this is 100 degree. Okay, then after you have to find out the value of x and z. You have to find out the value of x and z. So these two are again opposite angles, x and z. But if you will take a look, then this x and z, both I don't have. If I will be having any one of them, then I can get the remaining easily. अगर मेरे पास दोनों में से एक भी एंगल होता तो मैं डायरेक्टली ऑपोजिट एंगल करके उसे फाइंड आउट कर लेती, लेकिन यहाँ पर मेरे पास दोनों में से एक भी एंगल नहीं है. So what will we do? In this case, we will try to use another property of the parallelogram. And what's that another property? The another property is sum of adjacent angle is 180 degree. यानी adjacent angle का addition 100 plus ये x is equal to 180 degree. And in bracket you will mention that these are adjacent angle. You must have to mention the property. If you will not mention the property, then you will not get the full marks. Remember this statement. So now if you will transpose this 100, then you will get the value of x, that is 80 degree. If you will transpose, then you will get the value of x, that is 80 degree. Okay. So by applying the properties, you can get the value of the unknown angle. So you must have to prepare all the properties. Clear to all of you? Okay. Let's move with the next one. Here again you have to find the values of x, y and z. So if you will take a look कि opposite angle से मुझे ये z नहीं मिलेगा, क्योंकि z जो है वो exterior है और opposite में interior angle आएगा. सो व्हाट विल आई डू? मैं इसकी हेल्प तो ले लूँगी और ये एंगल फाइंड कर लूँगी 50. एंड नाउ इफ़ यू विल टेक अ लुक, मैंने आपको कहा था आप लोग क्या करोगे, अगर प्रॉपर्टी से डायरेक्टली नहीं हो रहा है, अगर प्रॉपर्टी से डायरेक्टली नहीं हो रहा है, देन यू विल टेक अ हेल्प ऑफ लीनियर पेयर. So you can see that this 50 and z are making linear pair. So you will write 50 plus z is equals to 180 degree. The reason is linear pair. So you will get the value of z, that is 180 minus 50, hence the value of z is 130. तो यहाँ आपको ये z की वैल्यू मिल गई 130. Now still I need to find out the value of y and x. So if you will take a look, then this y and x are opposite angle. So again opposite angles are equal, but यहाँ पर x भी नहीं है y भी नहीं है. So which property will I apply? Yes, very good. Property of adjacent angle, right? So 50 plus y is equal to 180. Once I will get this, then by opposite angle I will get the remaining. Okay, so this is how you can solve. This too you can do by yourself. I am going with this one. You have to find out the value of x, y and z. Okay, so how will we solve this question? In this, as I told you that first you will try to apply the properties. जो basic property है उसे apply करना. If you are not getting answer with the help of those properties also, then you will go with the angle sum property of that particular shape, or you can go with the vertically opposite angle, or you can go with linear pair, okay, or else alternate angles. So likewise you can get the value. So here I want to find the value of x, y and z. You can see that this y is exactly opposite to 112. So you can say that the value of y is 112. As this value of y is 112, then these three are the angles of the triangle. So addition of all this angle is 180 degree. I have applied the angle sum property. So here value of y is 112. By solving this means ये दोनों को add करके transpose करो, you will get some value of x. You will get the some value of x. Okay, means here you will get the value of x by solving it. जैसे ही x की value मिल जाएगी, you will get the value of z. How? Let me show you. This z and x are forming alternate pair of alternate angles. ये कैसे angles है? Alternate angle. इसलिए ये angles जो है वो similar होंगे. Okay, alternate interior angle. So these angles will be similar. So once if you will get the value of x by the angle sum property, then you will get this value also. Okay, this is how you have to solve. In next we will continue with the another question. Thank you and have a great day.